Hello everyone. Today let's talk about a major issue that's on everyone's mind, statehood for Jammu and Kashmir. Recently, Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha made a strong call for restoring statehood to Jammu and Kashmir. And here why it's matter. When the Union Territory was formed in August 2019, the government promised the Supreme Court that Jammu and Kashmir statehood would be restored eventually. Now, with the newly elected assembly and a government in place, the demand has become louder and more urgent. But why is statehood so important? For the people of Jammu and Kashmir, it means greater control over their governance, more autonomy, and a deeper connection with democratic institutions. However, there is a backdrop of rising security concerns as well, because recently we have seen a spike in militant attacks targeting both civilians and non-local workers in the valley. This creates tension but shouldn't delay the statehood process. In fact, many believe that restoring statehood could bring a positive shift in the region's stability. Restoring statehood to Jammu and Kashmir isn't just about politics, it's about fulfilling a promise. The new government there deserves the benefits and responsibilities of full statehood. It's time for the centre to deliver on that solemn commitment and give Jammu and Kashmir a stronger voice. What do you think, guys? Do you think restoring statehood could be a positive change for Jammu and Kashmir? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you. All the best.